gonna come down. Look.
Which tree?
That one right in front of you. Hello.
Oh, dang. Oh, right there. Oh! That tree fell down.
Yo, get footage of this, man.
I am. I'm gonna post it on YouTube too. The video, oh god, this is like a Susan. Well, I don't know how to call
No,
it.
it's not a Susan. But look at that tree. It's about to come out. Oh, shit.
There's a car on over there. I don't know.
Justin, just keep recording. Keep recording.
I am.
Yo, that tree's about to come.
Only-
Nah, it's moving like it's gonna come down.
It is, trust me. And if I do, I'm catching it on footage.
Yo, I'm moving away before I get that tree.
Oh, it hit the thing. What thing? It hit some. I don't know. I think it hit something. Oh shit! Scared me. Close it. It scared me, man. Oh my god, bro. I'm so scared right now, man. That just scared me.
Alright, it's over.
It's over?
Yeah.
Oh, thank
Yo, but
God.
it
It hit a tree. Ooh.
Poppy, if you're gonna record this, you gotta be a good cameraman.
I am.
Oh, she's coming back,
It's coming
right
back.
back. It's coming right back. It was serene for a second, just it's coming right back. No, it's not. It's gonna come right back.
What happens?
Stop.
Ooh. This car is still moving. That tree fell down.
They need to take that branch out. I think I should move my car.
Damn, that car is.
If you go outside there, you're not coming back.
Yeah,
You think so?
Yeah, I suggest you don't go. Something could happen.
When you walk, the wind will take you.
Yeah, Dad.
You think so?
Well, not only that,
I'm
but
going to Burger King.
nah, Dad, don't make that excuse. They're probably closed right now because they don't want their menu thing.
Did I go to Burger King because I'm hungry?
Yeah, I'm out. I'm too scared to record,
it's
man.
cold.
That's it. That's all, folks.